Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DNS over HTTPS in Google Chrome, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable DNS over HTTPS in Google Chrome, start by launching the Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. Click on these dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings tab, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security to expand the section. Next, locate and select Security. Within the Security settings, scroll down to the Advanced section. Here, you will see an option for Use Secure DNS. Toggle the switch next to Use Secure DNS to enable it. You will now see a drop-down menu appear. Click on the drop-down menu to see the available DNS providers. Choose your preferred DNS provider from the list. If you want to use a custom DNS provider, select Custom. Then, enter the DNS provider's URL in the field provided. Once you have made your selection, close the Settings tab. To ensure the changes take effect, restart your Chrome browser. After restarting, your DNS queries will now be secured using DNS over HTTPS. You can verify the setup by visiting a website like https://d. This will show if your DNS requests are going through the secure DNS you have configured. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled DNS over HTTPS in Google Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.